Hi there. Welcome to the first ever episode of Ninja Briefs, a bi-weekly video series covering all things FTC, presented by FRC Team 2383, the Ninjaneers, and FTC Team 16391, the Rising Ninjas.
Let's get started. It has been just over a week since the first Tech Challenge 2022-23 kickoff, and this means that we need to introduce the new game. This year's game will be Powerplay, presented by Raytheon Technologies. Essentially, alliances will work to move cones around the playing field, placing them either in taped-off terminals or on flexible junctions. Alliances can earn points for owning junctions. This means that an alliance-colored cone or teammate beacon is atop the junction. With this, the most intriguing strategic element of this game lies in the ability to form circuits, or continuous paths of adjacent junctions owned by an alliance that connect alliance-specific terminals.
Overall, this seems like a strong game, requiring high robot maneuverability and encouraging cooperation within each alliance to protect and build circuits. Additionally, this game strikes a strong balance between technical difficulty and accessibility for inexperienced teams, as games will likely be won through speed and strategy more so than complicated end effectors.
Now, let's spotlight some 30-hour challenge robots.
This first robot comes from alumni of FTC Team 7129, the Robo Raiders. As you can see, they created their own junctions using plungers, a great way to prepare for the upcoming season without blowing the budget on the field. This robot utilizes a rotating claw intake system and cascading lift to manipulate the game elements, concepts that were used by most of the 30-hour robots. Additionally, they built their drive base with an inward-angled front and rear, allowing the robot to self-correct its positioning while scoring, simply by driving into the junctions.
This build from FTC Team 9925 is similar in design to the last robot, but it is representative of the importance of maneuverability in this year's game. The robot can be seen bumping into the ground junctions, slowing its cycle times, something that the team will likely need to resolve before their first competition.
Finally, we want to show a 30-hour challenge scrimmage match hosted by FTC Team 16460, Gearheads.
What an exciting match! I can't wait to see what other teams will do with the challenge. Well, that's all we have for you today. I hope you enjoyed this inaugural edition of Ninja Briefs. We'll see you in 2 weeks.